Hello everyone. Now let's see what interesting I'm going to create this time. So here I'm going to draw a beautiful butterfly which is holding a flower bucket. So here I am going to draw this butterfly and its wings like this and these strips. Let's make these strips. Now color this beautiful butterfly using different colors, and I'm using yellow and brown color for these strips. Now color this beautiful bucket, and this is done. Now let's proceed with another drawing. See, this way you can be creative. This is so simple. All you need a paper and a pencil and few color pens, and then you are good to create something magical. Like here I'm drawing these beautiful paintings. Now let's proceed with this drawing. Here I'm going to draw a sunflower. For this I have drawn these lines like this. Now let's draw the stem and leaf. Now let's color this. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Let's see what I'm going to draw this time. So here I am drawing a deer like this. Now let's color this deer. Wonderful. Now this is so simple.